Why are we like this? Woo!
Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm here with Tasha.
Hello.
And I'm at her flat because we've got something so exciting to share with you guys. Like, I don't even know like, where to start. So Bobbi Brown have a range of lip products called the Crushed Liquid Lips, and we've been able to create our own shades together, which is so
amazing.
It's crazy, and
Bobbi Brown.
Yeah, and I keep being like, that's happening.
Is this real?
Yeah. We've waited for so long to share it with you and like share our shades and
kind of the story behind it. So exciting. So excited to be able to actually show you guys now.
So we're gonna show you guys what our lip colours look like on, and then I think we might also like wear each other's as well. So, no wait, you hold your one.
Okay.
These are our products.
So cute.
Will it focus?
I hope.
Maybe not on both at once.
That's rude if it doesn't. So when I saw your shades, I literally, the first thing I said to my manager when we had the meeting, I was like, that is such a typically you colour. I feel like I've been watching you for so long. That was like the kind of colour you always went for, so it's just so nice to like, I don't know, it's just so
like
you.
I really wanted to have a colour that kind of brings your face to life a bit, but also for it to be one that's easy to wear like day to day. You could wear it like on a night out or something, or just in kind of like your everyday life. And then I also really love these because it's buildable. Yeah, so tell me about your one. Because same, I was like, I could see that on you straight away, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so mine, I think my idea came from like my love for like the 90s and stuff.
Yeah.
And you know that like supermodel brown lip, or like if you think about people like Aaliyah and stuff, they would always have like that typical 90s brown lip. But I always found that it was like a little bit too dark and a little bit too like purpley grey. And I've never found like the perfect brown shade for me or my skin tone. That also works for everyone else. So I was like, I need to create the perfect brown because I love brown lips. So I came up with this like, it's like a warm kind of orangey toned brown, but it looks different on every kind of skin tone, but works for everyone, which I love because it's super versatile. And again, you can kind of wear it like yours in the daytime, and you can also transition it into the evening as well.
Yeah,
so
it's gorgeous.
I love, do you know what, I've mixed ours together as well.
I haven't done that.
And
I want to
actually,
do that.
they look so good together as well because they
wanna do
balance
that.
each other out.
We obviously want to show you guys the colours on. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of create a look with them. So we're going to apply some other products as well. And
so I've already got foundation and brows kind of done. My hair, apologies for my hair, everybody.
It looks gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of concealer because I definitely need it.
No, sorry, I'm here like
yeah, she does.
That's a lie.
This is the Intensive Skin Serum Concealer.
Bronzing powder in just shade Deep. I'm just going to add a bit of a contour and warm up my face a little bit.
So I'm just blending it in with my fingers. So since the product's called Crushed Liquid Lips, I thought we could talk about crushes a little bit. What are you crushing on at the moment? Did you see Rihanna's dress?
I'm crushing on more grandma stuff, to be honest. Like tea. No, I've been really like rediscovering music.
Oh, go on, do tell.
Rediscovering music that actually makes you like feel something and you really connect with like some music and stuff. I recently went to see Etta Bond. She was incredible live. And also, do you know what? I'm just like reconnecting with a lot of stuff that I used to really enjoy when I was younger. So it's been really nice. I'm really getting into like movies. I know this is really bad, but I was never, like I like movies, but I was never like really into movies.
Yeah. Oh, yay!
I'm really starting to get into films now.
What ones?
Can you believe that I only watched Inception for the first time the other day?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, and over Christmas was that I watched Lord of the Rings for the first time.
Oh, what did you think?
I actually loved it.
Yay! It's just really nice to kind of lose yourself in. Like,
I felt like my geeky self from like back in the day.
Okay, so next I'm going to use the Pot Rouge, which is for lips and cheeks. I just want to give a little bit of flush to the cheeks, and I feel like it will complement the lips really nicely because my colours obviously is quite warm and kind of like a bitten colour.
Wait, what movies are you crushing on though? You've seen Bohemian Rhapsody?
Oh yeah, it was so good. With every song I kept wanting to get up and dance. It was so hard not to dance in the cinema. You just have to sit there like,
I wanna go wild. It was so good.
Okay, I think I'm gonna apply the lip now.
I'm just gonna put a glow stick on in the shade Bikini. Oh, it's nice. It's really natural. But this is nice because it's like dewy, so it's not like, you know, like dry cakey highlighter. It just looks really
and it
natural.
creases easily.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we didn't tell you the shade names.
Ah.
So my one is called Hush Hush.
Can you pronounce my one?
Let me try. This will be quite funny.
When you.
I always try
when you try and pronounce French words.
Okay. Ombre.
Ombre. That was actually perfect. Yeah. I love it. Ombre. Which is amber in French, basically.
I love the name. I'm so excited to see this. I want to sit on you.
So it's really funny because when I first tried it, I was really tanned. So it looked really different. Yeah. And I love it both ways. I love this applicator as well. It's like...
Oh, same, yeah. I love the angle.
It's like the perfect dough fit. It's so nice. And the product is so like... It's not sticky.
It's just like creamy on the lips.
It's
and
so nice.
It wears really nicely as well, so it doesn't wear off patchy or anything.
Yeah, you don't get all those like gloopy bits.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Like, obviously, it's ours, so we love it, and we're saying all these things, but honestly...
It's genuinely so good.
It is true. It's lovely.
I don't know, I like it.
I'm so excited to see these on other people as well. Like,
Yes.
I
cannot
can't
wait. It's like...
I know.
I don't even have words for it.
Yeah.
It's so exciting.
We're really excited to see if you guys like the colours as well.
Oh, I hope so.
And
that's the thing that was like the worst for me. Is like, I love it, but I don't know if anyone else is going to love it.
Yeah, I know.
But I think people will love yours so much.
Okay, now we're gonna quickly try each other's on as well and see how they look on each other. I'm really excited.
I'm so excited to see it on you.
I love this colour.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, I love it, yeah.
I feel like I've never ever seen you in a colour like this as well. It's so funny
It
how
actually
different
does
it
feel
looks.
different, yeah.
It's so nice.
I would love it as well with like to do a dark eye with it. Hey! Let's see.
I like it on you.
Oh, it goes really
love
nicely
it.
with your eyes as well.
Thank you.
Oh,
I love it. It makes me feel a bit more like cutesy and girly.
It's so interesting. I hope you guys have liked this little video and like our exciting announcement.
Yes.
Yeah, we've waited so long to share it with you guys. So we're also going to film a video together over on Tasha's channel, so definitely go check that out. I'll link it down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll link everything down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.